Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set timer on Xiaomi phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Nowadays, there are more and more various functions of smartphone, and many of them can provide significant help for people's daily use. The time on or off function is one of them. So in this video, I will show you how to enable the timer on your Xiaomi phone. It's so simple. You can just go to your clock on your phone, and here you can find the first option is alarm. You can go to timer, and here click on timer. Here you can choose for the time range that you want to start the timer. I want to start for 10 minutes. You can tap on start in here. So after 10 minutes, your phone will be remind you that the time is over. It's a simple, right? So that is how to use timer on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!